When the trimmer was down here, I used to have to do this manoeuvre where I put it down and I have to spin it around like that. Move the trimmer to just here. So now it's a lot easier to put in position. Keep working on it, see if I can find a better position, but for now, it's a big improvement. Improvement for a goods in area. Put this new sign up here. So we've had parcels left here by the stairs, hadn't left here, hadn't left everywhere. Well, it's a nice visual sign here of exactly where to put it. So it is behind this wall here. And in case we have any international drivers, any Eastern European drivers, we've got it in different languages there to help them out as well.
Okay, so with help from Jake doing the cam bands for us, we've now got a new cam band system for our 086 wraps. So basically how it will work is, as you can see here, this box is 3/4 full. These boxes are empty. So this will go straight round to pre-packing, be filled up and brought back round. And the idea is that we'll always have 2 full boxes in stock by the time it takes to refill 1 box again, so we won't run out.
Sometimes when you're welding, especially when you've got a mask on, it can be quite difficult to locate it. So I'm going to try and make it a bit easier to use, and that's a bit messy. Got a slight improvement, so I've got 2 plates on the side, so if you're going to slightly miss it, it just flows in, and put a new plate on. So one of the jigs we use is not very useful at the top, so I'm going to try and make it a bit more useful. So I've fixed it and made it so it's a bit smoother to use. Very nice. So made a small improvement to the jig today. I mean, I didn't know which way it needed to go, but now we know that the hole needs to go towards the bottom.
So with the blue roll packing desk moved here, we needed a bin, so place one here.
So when I have to print a production cam band directly to the laser, it takes about 16 seconds. And that's because on Google Sheets you have to download the form before you can print it. So it takes quite a few steps, and it's really bugged me every time I do it. So I realised I could set up a macro. So I recorded a macro to print it, and now I have a button directly to print. And it saves 10 seconds every time. So once I press it, it goes through all the steps automatically to print it, making my life easier.
Go!
Like before, I used to do it like this. Mum kept aching, pain, but now I have a mouse and I didn't know where to put it. So here's the improvement. Now I have a mouse cable to put onto here, and I can place my mouse here to search up products.
Good job!
So we wanted to improve the way that we can move large pieces of metal on and off the beds safely. When the piece is bolted in it, the crane can't pick it up. So we wanted to improve the way that we do that. While on holiday, Stuart threw together these brackets and chains that bolt down to the piece, and then you can just wrap the chain to the crane and lift it straight off. Worked pretty well. Just use these little bolts to fix it in place. You can lift it straight off. So I just threw everything in the box together, everything you need there, sign up, so everybody knows where the parts are if they need them.
In an effort to combat any pallets going missing, we're actually using this little space here now to generate a small label. So it's just got some very basic information on it. It's that who was sent the item, who was sending it to. We'll slap it on the pallet just with the normal shipping label, and it should help us if anything goes missing.
So I noticed when I came round that when we painted the other day, we forgot to remove the tape off the bottom of the stairs. So I've removed the tape now, and it looks much better.
That's right, before and after, installing some wood lining around the factory, just keeping things premium. It's a really great job. Really love the videos, everyone. Great job. Thank you very much.